Deodap promo codes, top 3 discounts. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the quick tutorial on Deodap promo codes. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To start with, the first website for Deodap promo codes is tenureteam.com. Open your browser and in the search bar search for tenureteam.com. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the coupons options and in the search bar search for Deodap. You will then be shown with a bunch of codes. Tap on any of the code that is best suitable for you and further copy the code and paste it in Deodap. Next website for Deodap is couponbirds.com. Once you are in coupon code space, tap on the search bar and search for Deodap. You will be shown with the available codes, so tap on the code and to copy the code and paste it in Deodap. You can also open google.com and in the search bar search for Deodap promo codes and scroll through and further tap on any of the websites in here and get the code for Deodap. For instance, I will tap on dealm.com. You can see I now have the code for Deodap. So these are the 3 ways for Deodap promo codes. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.